We have a DLEC855W LG dryer which has a tE3 error code. What does this code indicate?
tE3 means that your thermistor inside your dryer is out of range and thinks the dryer is too hot. You'll need to order and replace the thermistor inside the dryer mounted to the venting below the drum in order to repair this dryer. Below is a link to the part. Click here for thermistor. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.